My name's Harvey. I'm here today with Tom Hickson's of Smithfield. I've been a chef for nearly 30 years now. In that time I've been executive chef of Bluebird Chelsea, 34 Mayfair, Dean Street Townhouse, Rules Restaurant, to name but a few. So I've got quite a bit of experience, as you can tell. What I'm going to do today is show you how to cook these fantastic New Zealand lamb racks. We're going to cook them in pretty much a foolproof method that I know. So hopefully they'll turn out perfect for you. We're going to make hot potatoes using a mandolin. Really simple to do, but you can do it in advance. And we're going to make a nice marinade with a pestle and water. So let's get started. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to make our marinade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of rosemary in there. A bit of fresh rosemary from my garden. A little bit of fresh thyme. I'm going to put a little bit of this, which is basically a lamb bouillon cube. I use that instead of salt as a seasoning because I think it's great. I'm also going to add a clove of garlic. Take the skin off the garlic, plop that in. I'm just going to smash them up. Hot pot potatoes and a roast piece of meat. Really great dish. Start off with our potatoes. I don't peel them. I just give them a good wash because I think all the flavours in the skin there. Just going to slice them on my mandolin. If you haven't got, you can use a speed peeler or a knife. It doesn't matter, it just cooks them more even. Same with my carrots. I've peeled my carrots. Now to build. So start off with potatoes, carrots, leeks, a bit of stock. Same again, thyme, garlic, a little bit of butter. Just to finish a nice layer of potatoes across the top. Just like so. And pop them in the oven. 180 degrees for 50. I'm going to season, just a little bit of salt, not too much, because we've already got the bouillon on it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, nice hot pan with a little bit of oil. I'm going to seal it off. So now, as you can see, nice sealing on that side. Just going to give it a nice colour. We're not going to go too mad with the sealing because we're going to cook it. We're going to cook it for 8 minutes to get a good rest. 170 degrees on our oven. Back in. Now I'm going to get it out. That's had another 8 minutes. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pull them, turn them over onto the breast while we rest them, and just let them rest. Also, I'm going to rest my potato gratin. It's lovely and golden brown. We'll have a closer look at that in a minute. Just going to let them rest. I'm going to put a dusting of salt on them. Now for our moment of truth. So they've had 8 minutes, a nice rest. And I'm just going to slice them. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Lovely and pink, just how you want them. Beautiful. Lovely, you can serve it with this wonderful gratin. It's fantastic. And just some nice peas and carrots, be beautiful, fantastic. I hope you've enjoyed the video today.